Evaluate integral 1 by 5 cos x plus 4 dx. Solution. The given question is integral 1 by 5 cos x plus 4 dx. The model of this question is 1 by a cos x plus or minus b sin x dx. This is the model. So let tan x by 2 is equal to t. The next, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here is cos, that's why we are considering cos x. So next, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, dt by 1 plus t square. See, first of all, consider from the given question denominator. Denominator is 5 cos x plus 4. See, 5 cos x. Cos x value is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Substitute here 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square plus 4. That is equal to 5 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4. Second one denominator is 1. First one denominator is 1 plus t square. So LCM is 1 plus t square. Cross multiplication. 5 into 1 minus t square into 1. 5 into 1 minus t square plus 4 into 1 plus t square. 4 into 1 plus t square. That is equal to, see, now multiply with the 5. 5 into 1, 5 minus 5 into t square, 5 t square plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 4 into t square, 4 into t square, 4 t square over 1 plus t square. See here, 5 plus 4, this is 9, minus 5t square plus 4t square, it is minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is the denominator value, that is 5 cos x plus 4 value. Substitute in the denominator, in the given question denominator, that is equal to integral 1 upon 5 cos x plus 4 dx is equal to integral 1 upon 5 cos x plus 4 value is 9 minus t square upon 1 plus t square into dx. We know that dx value is dt by 1 plus t square. dt by 1 plus t square. See, denominator, the denominator gets cancelled. The remaining is integral 1 upon 9 minus t square into dt. See here, we can write this is integral 1 upon 9, we can write 3 square minus t square. So formula is integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod a plus x upon a minus x, close the mod, plus c. This is the formula. That is equal to, compare these two, sorry, into dt. See, integral of 1 by 3 square minus t square dt is, if we compare these two, here integral 1 numerator is a square, here is 3 square, so a is equal to 3, minus here is x square, here is t square, so x is equal to t. Now substitute in the formula. that is equal to 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into a value is 3 log of mod a plus x. A is equal to 3 plus x. X is equal to t over a minus x. A value is 3 minus x value is t plus c. That is equal to 1 by 2 3 is a 6 log of mod 3 plus t. But actually the t value is tan of x by 2. Substitute t is equal to tan of x by 2. 3 plus t. T is equal to tan of x by 2 whole upon 3 minus again t. T value is tan of x by 2 close the mod plus c.